HOTTEC's Hot Access Creation Service provides controlled access to high-temperature areas while the unit remains online without affecting production. When issues such as shell hotspots, tube problems, or refractory failures occur, direct internal inspection may be required. HOTTEC creates an engineered access point through the shell and refractory, allowing specialized inspection and repair equipment to reach previously inaccessible areas. The access port can then be fitted with a robust, reusable closure for future maintenance. Hot Access Creation works alongside HOTTEC's Hot Inspection and Hot Tube Stabilization services, providing access where it is needed without requiring a shutdown.